Today we got a video from Police Body Cam Station, and the title of the video is College Student Realizes She's Ruined Her Life Shoplifting.
No.
They said that, they told me that
Hey, she slipped their cuffs. Stop. Now!
On June 23rd, officers were dispatched to the local Target after a girl was caught stealing with her sister. When officers arrive, they quickly move in to arrest her.
Put your hands behind your back, okay?
Wait, can I call my dad?
Well, you can have your sister do that, and you can call when you get to the jail, okay?
Wait,
Stop. Don't catch another charge. Don't catch another charge.
That's not my bad, please.
Don't catch another charge.
Please. I didn't do anything.
Are those earrings
These
in
are-
your pocket?
No, she bought me those.
Right.
Oh, I don't want to go to jail.
There's more.
Yeah, this is all the stuff that she did too, so. Doesn't matter if it's
This?
her bag.
That's mine.
You got anything in the other pocket? It'll be so much easier if you say,
No, I
you do or you
don't.
don't.
Wait.
Yeah, we're gonna check. I read it. You're gonna want to check that pocket.
Wait. I'm sorry. I don't want to go to jail.
Oh, you should have thought about that. Even your sister was telling me outside that she was telling you how much of a bad idea this was, and we should probably just put stuff back and leave, and you still did it, so.
Wait.
If you can just
Can I
send a
call?
link,
Can
and
I?
I'll put it in my name,
can I
so we
call my
don't do
dad?
so she can send the video.
Can I call my dad?
You're under their custody
Can I
now.
call my dad?
You can when you get to the jail, okay? And then your sister can also let him know what's going on. Grab that green bag. That's sister's bag.
Thank you.
Thank you. She's outside.
They had a Target? Oh my goodness.
Where'd she go?
You know you ain't getting away with it at Target.
I don't want to.
Don't catch another charge.
Layla, where'd you tell them? I gotta go to jail. Well, I told them that you were saying that you didn't want to do it. Yeah. Oh, please, please.
Oh boy.
Stop.
Please, please, please. Wait, are you guys better still?
No.
They said that, they told me that
Hey, she slipped their cuffs.
please, please.
Stop. Now!
Layla, call my boyfriend.
Put your hands behind your back right now. I'm not playing. Just stop.
Jail what? Jail?
You're not gonna be there long. Just stop. Stop!
And I told you, don't even help. I'm going to jail. They tell them that I got arrested. No. They
Here, let me get out of
yeah, like, they me or bag and they thought it was me that didn't have anything on me and say that they're arresting me and I want to jail for a day. I'm panicking.
Take a deep breath. Go ahead, stand up. Okay. Take both your knees into your chest.
Look
You're
at
not going to
my
be there long. So just take a chill. Work out your shoes.
I'm going to call your man though. Yes, and tell him.
You
Until
will. Put your hands behind so it's not. Put your hand behind you. That way it's not.
about to spend out that day, or am I getting out?
I don't know. I would say you should be able to talk to a judge soon, but don't quote me. I don't work at the jail.
Well, go find somewhere to charge it, and then tell him that. Do y'all know what y'all going to?
Yeah, Champaign County.
Champaign County. All right. I'll call you call me as soon as you get home, okay? I will. And I tried to tell them it was my bag, but they kept blaming you.
Doesn't matter. She was in possession of it. She was the one punching stuff inside of it.
I get my shoes.
Yeah, I'm grabbing them. I'm going to put them up front with me.
Okay. You're not lying, are you?
Yeah, I'm so, yeah.
Okay. She said that you're her sister. Is that true?
Well, she's like a sister to me.
Okay.
Oh,
She
no.
was asking if you could call her dad or to tell her she got arrested. Do you have her dad's phone number or something?
No, but I have her boyfriend's number. I'm going to tell him about it.
Okay.
I just can't call him right now because my phone is dead.
Okay. Yeah, she can call anyways once she gets to jail. She just wanted to
Yeah,
do it
but
beforehand.
I'll just call him as soon as I get the chance.
Okay.
But yeah, I just don't want her to think like I was trying to blame her because I literally told you guys that it was my bag, and I don't want her to think I'm like a bad.
She was going to jail regardless of that because she doesn't want to give us her name. That's why she's sitting in there right now.
Because then she said it was my fault. I just want to make sure you guys make it clear I didn't say anything to make it my fault. I
You
didn't
a
say
snitch.
anything, right, to make it my fault. Is she gonna be in there for a whole day?
Well, she has to wait till she sees a judge, which won't happen until tomorrow.
Man, y'all already slipped up. Y'all might as well take the mute thing off or the blur thing off. We already seen what she looked like. Come on now. We already done seen it. We see it. Right here. She snitched. No, I'm playing. But nah, yeah. She did the, you know what I'm saying? She did the right thing, man. It ain't, I told her it was a bad idea. We shouldn't be doing that. Like, she wanted to go ahead and do it on her own. That's why she ain't in handcuffs. Smart girl, man. Don't get caught up in your friend foolishness.
For a whole day?
Well, she has to wait till she sees a judge, which won't happen until tomorrow, so.
What is the judge gonna do? Just tell her it's
Most likely they're going to release her with the court date. That's what happens majority of the time.
How long do they usually stay for stealing? Like a day? So was the store like pressing charges on her?
Yes. If they wanted to, they could press charges against you too, since you're with her for everything, but they didn't want to do that.
What is it called? Like fraud or something?
Retail theft?
How much have you been doing this for?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I've seen her before for retail theft here. They said she had one 2 weeks ago, but definitely wasn't 2 weeks ago after her, but she looks very familiar.
Yeah, I mean, they trespassed her on the 3rd. But, how's he going? He's going to go for shoplifting,
Obstructing ID and resisting.
resisting, and trespass.
Yeah, trespass.
I don't think I'll hit her with the obstructing.
The freaking ID.
Yeah, I'll just hit her with the resisting, theft, and shoplifting. Or not theft, sorry.
The girl was arrested and charged with shoplifting, resisting arrest, obstruction, and criminal trespass. Since the stolen items were only found on the girl, the so-called sister came out unscathed.
Yeah, that's one thing black people do. I mean, I don't know if white people do it in their community or whatever, but black people, if like you got a friend and you cool with them, like cool. Yeah, that's my brother. That's my cousin. Like, it's like, y'all ain't got no type of blood relation at all, but that's your cousin. That's my brother. That's my uncle. Like, yeah. Y'all just be locked in. I don't know why it's like that, but it is like that. So, yeah. But I don't know why they tell police those types of things, though, because that's not That's not realistic. You know what I mean? Like, you gonna tell the cop, that's my sister. That ain't your sister. That's your friend. Like, come on, man. Come on. Anyway, yeah, cops did pretty decent, man. I give them 4 out of 5. You know what I'm saying? I would have gave them a 5 out of 5, but she slipped them cuffs, man. You put them cuffs on way too loose. She's skinny, man. She's skinny. She got skinny wrists. Her wrists not thick. You know what I mean? They about this big. Her wrist is probably about this big. You know what I mean? Small wrists, man. You gotta crank down on them things. But besides that, they did pretty good, man. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.